As of the 2010 U.S. Census, Seattle ranked as the 12th largest metropolitan economy in the country, which is very strong for a city with a population that ranks 22nd in the U.S. As a seaport city, Seattle's economy is driven by a large industrial base that's more than a century old, coupled with a thriving market in technology-based companies. In spite of the current recession, Seattle remains economically strong, which is one reason why there might be a growing industry in bad credit car loans. There are over 80 car dealerships doing business in the Seattle area, both locally owned and manufacturer franchised. This is a mark of a strong economy since there is enough movement in car sales to sustain this many businesses. It's also a draw for people with bad credit who are in need of a car. Since a bustling economy brings new people seeking prosperity, it's only reasonable that many bring their credit problems along with them. Financing bad credit car loans in Seattle is no challenge, since the car loan market is every bit as strong as its car sales industry. For those consumers living with bad credit, there are numerous options for financing their next vehicle. It's just a matter of deciding who to borrow from. Bad credit does throw some obstacles into the path of vehicle financing. Most often, car dealerships are able to deal with credit problems as their access to multiple financial institutions gives them greater flexibility in approving car loans. With over 80 dealerships operating in Seattle, it's a matter of finding the one that offers the best deals in bad credit car loans. Like shopping for the car, the consumer can shop for the dealership that's offering the best car loan packages and auto loan specials. Like any store, dealerships do have special sales in car loans, and some are aimed directly at people who have bad credit. Like any product, auto loans come with their own problems, and it's up to the consumer to read the fine print to determine if that loan package is truly affordable. This is also true of lending specialists. While they lack the access to manufacturer incentives, they do nothing else but lend money and have plans, sales specials, and incentives native to their own companies. And like any other product, the best deals in bad credit car loans can be shopped for by the customer. The Seattle phone books are loaded with lending agencies ready to sell their products to anyone who can meet their criteria for auto loans, and it only takes a little time and patience for the consumer to find the loan that works for him or her. Getting the loan before heading off to the dealership has the advantage of putting the money into the hands of the customer, which puts a car buying budget in perspective. This also gives the car shopper the ability to purchase the vehicle outright from the dealership without the worry of a sudden denial of a car loan agreement after the car has left the lot. This can occur after papers have been signed, when an error appears within the loan agreement, forcing the buyer to renegotiate an auto loan on a vehicle that is now worth 20% less than it was before leaving the lot. Sometimes this is legit, sometimes it's not, but it does happen. With the car loan in hand, bad credit or no, the customer can make the car purchase a done deal. Federal Auto Loan. Good credit, bad credit, no credit, all good.